This is an 8-pound ball of nothing but the protective backing paper that comes on the laser cut parts that I've been building since November 2016. So it's about 14 inches wide. It weighs 8 pounds. And actually, okay, this is gonna be kind of a dick move to my neighbors, but I just want to convey how big this ball is. I won't drop it from that high, just. It's just paper. There's no like ball in the middle. At the end of the year, I want to like saw this in half to prove that it's real, but this is nothing but those stickers, and they're actually strong enough with how dense that ball is to support the weight of an adult male, or I should say half the weight of an adult male. I'm a really skinny dude, but so I hands on the wall to stabilize myself. So yeah, it doesn't really deform much. Oh shit, it doesn't deform much, but